Like, and subscribe, and hit that bell button. Guys, I am going to be showing you my chickens. They're kind of cute. Look. Like, and subscribe, hit that bell button to break this into little pieces. See that? Oh no. You guys get the hell off. Get the hell. Yeah. Now, my grandma put this up so like chickens can climb up there on the tree and sleep. The chickens are eventually over there. Oh, so I'm supposed to